you are welcome to this video, and I'll be teaching you how to design a website from start to finish. Yes, I'll be showing you a comprehensive guide, simple guide on how to design a website from start to finish. Yeah, the steps are very simple. Just watch this video from the beginning to the end. And this video is sponsored by the subscribe button, the like button, and the share button. So let's dive in. Now, if you want to design your website, if you want to design a website, you need a platform. We are using an open source platform, which is WordPress, to design a full functional website for your product or for your business. Now, to start with, you need to get a domain. You need to get hosting plan to power it. Then after that has been set up, you need to install WordPress on from your cPanel by going to Softaculous, then starting up the WordPress installation. That's pretty simple. I have another video guide on how to purchase hosting, domain, and how to set up your WordPress installation. All these are simple steps, very easy. You don't even need to have idea of HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. We just dive into the business. All right, so to start with, I'm going to introduce you to this is the fresh WordPress dashboard. We are currently using the latest version of WordPress, which is WordPress version 6.0. Then on the dashboard end, we have the home, we have the update, we have the post, media, pages, comment, appearance, plugin, users, tools, settings. Then we can collapse this menu. So this is just what we have on the menu bar for a fresh WordPress installation. All right, so to start with, we're going to take it one after the other. Then we're diving into designing a fresh website. Like, we're just going to do something creative. Like, we're just going to come up with something starting from the menu, then straight down to the hero section, to the body section, and the footer. So we're going to take it step by step. Just stay with me and watch this video to the end. All right, so for the post, we have all posts, we have add new, we have categories, and we have tags. For the all posts, this all post is used to view all the posts you have on the website, all the posts you have made on the website. So if you click on the all posts, you're going to view all the posts you have on the website. Now you can add new posts. Like right now, I'm not sure if we have any post on the website currently, so but we can add new posts. We can actually add new posts. And this is hello world. This is the default WordPress post that will always come with all new WordPress installation. So we can actually view it. It's default. So just hello world. So that's the default post that will come with your installation. So we can actually add new posts. Now let's check our hello world. So I just previewed it. Hello world. My network is kind of dragging, so I don't know why. So let's proceed. So we can add new posts. To add new posts is also very simple. So this is our default WordPress page, the fourth post. This is hello world, welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Edit or delete it, then start writing. That's as simple as that. And this is the default comment that also comes with your new WordPress installation. Like this is a comment, like this is being previewed, then you can leave a reply. So this is for probably you have a blog post, you have a blog section on your WordPress or on your website. Then this is just a sample template of how it's being previewed. Like, okay, your viewers can also add comments, like add discussion to what you have just posted, like their point of view and all that. So this is just like a preview of this is just a preview of how the post looks like. This is the post section. Welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Edit or delete it and start writing. Then today's day, June 4 2022. Then your name, like the username, like the writer name, like this is tutor and unrecognized, like this is the category. Then we don't have any category yet, so it's being stated as uncategorized, right? So now if we want to add a new post, we go to add new. So it brings us down here, so we can actually add title to our post. Like let's say WordPress, our title is WordPress tutorial. Then we can start writing something here, right? For example, you want to like update your blog post on your website. It's also very important because a blog can be used to share your view guide, probably of your guide of sharing tips of your products, like how to use your products or talking more about your product. Basically that's what blog is being used for business, and some people use it for tutorials, talking about sharing tips and all that. So blogs are used for different things. So this is just how you update how you write a post. You start with a title, then you move straight to the body. So you start writing. You can choose a block. We have different types of block here. So we have the paragraph, we have the image, heading, gallery, list, code, and you can also browse all and view all. Actually, we are not going deep into this, but actually you can also do something cool and awesome with all of this. You can add YouTube videos to this, like a link, and it will preview a YouTube post on a YouTube video on your post. You can also embed you can embed the YouTube video. You can add buttons, like you want a call to action on your blog post, like you want it to take them to somewhere, probably your external product or something. You can actually add a button. You can add columns, you can add group, you can add rows, stack, and so many more features. You can add cover, you can add images, you can add gallery, you can even add audio. Can you see how it works? This is the audio right here. So you can add audio, so you can add so many things, media and text, media that comes with text. You can add files. Like it has a whole lot of functionalities. Like I'm just exploring and showing you as in how WordPress, like the more functionality on WordPress. Like WordPress, while working on WordPress, you can actually explore so many things. So as we can see here, even when it comes to embed, you can embed YouTube videos, you can embed Twitter posts, you can embed WordPress, like adding WordPress posts to your posts. You can like SoundCloud, Spotify, like you can like add so many things. You can add so many things to your post. So this is basically what the blog post is being used for. Like so many things, there's so many features right here. So you can just type, you can type anything. This is a WordPress tutorial. So we just write anything actually. So you can style it, you can bold the text, highlight it, you can bold the text, you can change you can add link to this, you can make it italics. Can you see? So you can add so many styles to it. You can actually open the block and see different things you can also add to this. You can align to left and right, you can move it downward, upward, so you can actually make it big. If you come right beside here, you can see typography. You can click on the advanced typography. We have 3 to make it bigger, that is last size 4. You see it's becoming more bigger. You can add text color to it. Text color, we can make it red. You can add background color to it too. So So many things you can actually do here. Then you can write you can make this one your h1, h2, then write the body of the content. After you've done that, you can hit the publish button. But before then, you can actually create categories from here too. But if you would not like to create categories from here, there are other places you can create categories from. You can create your categories from here. You can click on the categories, add your categories to it. Like you want to categorize your post. Like if you are posting new things, you want them to be categorized under a particular category. Like you don't just want everything to just be scattered. Like your users can always filter somewhere. Like they can filter each category to access your post easily, instead of diving into your post and there is no category. No, they just have to be searching for what they are looking for. But the category will make it much more easier for them to like slide and look for what they are looking for actually. So that's one of the purpose of the categories. You can actually add tags. All this also and works more for SEO. You can add tags to your post. Like now talking about media, so you want to add images to your WordPress. Like you have images in your file that you want to add. You can come to the library to view all the images you have here. You have on WordPress already. You can come to library to view them. So but and from here, I think we have not added. This is a fresh WordPress installation, no media items found. So you can actually add new. You click on add new, then you select your file. It's just as simple as that. Just as simple as that. We can just add anything right here. Just add this. So after it has been added, it loads, then it appears here. So which means this image you just added, you can use it on your post. Yeah, you can use it on your post. You can add it to your post and you can continue your whatever. You can add it to your design. Probably you are designing a fresh website. You can also add the image to it. So that is just the section of the media. Going to pages now. If we are creating websites, we create website based on different pages. Like we can create our home page, about page, contact page, and what privacy policy page. See, so you can add the pages and then design your home page, design your contact page, design your about us page, design your privacy policy page from the add new pages. Like we don't have any page on this website currently. So going forward through all pages, I think the pages are empty. Just have the privacy policy page and the sample page. The sample page are what is being viewed. This is just like the fourth page. The fourth page that is being created after installing a fresh WordPress installation. All right. So this is the fourth page that comes with the new WordPress installation. So you can see this is an example page. It's different from a blog post. That is it. It will stay in one place and will show up in your site's navigation. In most times, most people start with an about page that introduces them to potential site visitors. So that is it. So your page will be used like, okay, where we have the sample page, can you see it? So it will be used in your navigation. Like your navigation, like you have home page, like what I just explained earlier on. So this is the fourth page that comes to the WordPress installation. So to add a new page, you click on add new. You click on add new. So you wait for it to load. So after clicking on add new, we can just name this page home page. This is our home page. After that, we hit the publish button. Awesome, we're cool. So after hitting the publish button, we can preview our page. Currently our page is empty, so we've not added anything to our page. We can just style our page. We can add different things to our page to preview it, and we can make this page after adding things to it, we can make it the fourth home page. Like whenever visitors visit our website, this home page, probably you have added some design to it and you want it to automatically be in your home page. We are still coming back to that. See, this is empty, so we've not added anything to it. So we'll be creating multiple pages. We'll be creating home page. We'll be creating the home page. We'll be creating about us. We'll be creating contact us page. So we'll be working on those three pages in this tutorial. Now onto the next, we have the comment section. Like if you visitor should comment on your post, it always appears here. It appears here. Like this is a WordPress commenter, so this is just a default comment, just like what I've shown you before, just to preview. This is how comments works. So here it will still be like it will be unapproved. You are the one to approve the comment. All right, and if it is a spam comment, you can just throw it into the spam folder. So this is from the appearance here. This is where the complexity comes in, but not really complex. But you just need to be very careful when it comes to the theme and the plugin section, and also the editor. If you don't know what to do in the editor aspect of it, because you are editing the theme files, and if you should edit and put something that is very wrong, a wrong action, perform a wrong action on the edit aspect of it, it will have impact on your website, probably negative impact, if you actually don't know what you are doing. All right, so but if you know, you understand it very well, and probably you want to do one or two things, you want to work on your PHP, then you can just come to the editor. But we are not going there now. We don't need to do anything for now, because we'll be doing away with it. So right here we can add our theme. So let's add our theme to start our WordPress, our website design. Now we come to add new. Like all these themes we have, they all comes with our installation. 2020 theme, 2022 theme, 2021 theme. Like all these themes, we don't need them. All we need to do is to delete them, because we want a lightweight website. We don't want heavy website. The plugins we don't need, we delete them. Now we only have just one theme, but this is not the theme we are using for our tutorial, for our design, for our WordPress website design. So we are going to click on the add new. So we are adding Hello Elementor theme. So for the course of this tutorial, that is what we will be using, Hello Elementor. So we choose no, we are not installing. So we'll search for the theme name. Like we search for the theme name right here, Hello Elementor. So this is it right here. Then we install. So after installation, we activate it. Then we'll move straight to the plugin aspect. From the plugin aspect as well, we can also add new plugins. So for now, we'll be adding one plugin for now, and every other plugins will be taken down. So let's move straight on there. So after this has been activated, let's wait for it to be activated. So after being activated, this 2022 theme, we are going to delete it because we don't need it any longer. All right, so automatically Hello Elementor requires installing Elementor theme, Elementor plugin, Elementor page builder, and that is what we'll be using to design our website from start to finish. Now we need to delete this because we don't need it. Yes, we don't need it. So it's going down, we have only Hello Elementor here. So right here we want to install a plugin. This is our installed plugins that we've installed already. We are coming back there, and this is plugin file editor. You need to be very careful here too. You don't need to go there. So just come to add new. We're adding a new plugin. Probably you get you want to install Elementor Pro, and you download the plugin from your Elementor website. You can just upload it by clicking on upload plugin. But for now, we are just installing the free version. So we can install it automatically from here, install Elementor, but we can also type it into the search box. Probably you are looking for another plugin. You just click on, you just type Elementor. So it comes up, Elementor page builder. So it's an awesome page builder that we'll be using to design our website from start to finish. And I know in some cases we'll need Elementor Pro. Elementor Pro is very, very important because it makes work super easy for you. It makes work super easy for you. Like Elementor website builder, Elementor Pro, you have a section whereby you can build header separately, you can build a footer separately, you can build the body of your website separately. You understand? Like you can build a template with it. Then you can also extract the template, you can import the template. Like the plugin is very awesome. Like, but for the course of this tutorial, for beginner purpose, we are not using the pro version for now, but we are still coming back to the pro version when we get to the advanced level. But for now, we are not using the pro version, and we are going to design a website from start to finish. So we are still waiting for the plugin to install. I don't know, probably it's network problem, but let's wait for a while we're good. Okay, that's finished installing, so let's activate it now. So let's wait while it's being activated, but before then, we can also move to the next section where we have users. You know, these are the users on your website. You can add new users. You can like view profile of users. Like you want other people to have access to this dashboard, you can also add them. You want them to have access, probably you want to add editor, you want to add people that will be writing blog posts for you. You can add new user. Click on add new user. So from here you can type their username, email address, their first name, last name. If they have a website that you want to like add to it, you can just add it to it, and you can generate a password for them, a very strong password for them. Then send the new user an email about this account. Of course, you can activate this. Then role, subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. If you want them to have the same access which you are having, like viewing everything, having access to everything on your website, you can actually give them the administrator role. But if you just want them to write blog post for you, you can give them the editor role or subscriber role, whichever role you feel like giving to them. Editor role is fine if you want them to write in blog post for you. Then we have access to the post. They can add posts. They can work on the categories also. So the next thing we have here is profiles of the users that are already on the website, like your own profile rather. Sorry, you viewing this, your profile. You can edit your profile. You can add picture, your profile picture. You can add it. You can change your profile picture on Gravatar. So you can set new password if you like, and so that is just how the profile aspect works. So moving forward to the tools, we have available tools. We have import, export, site health, export personal data, erase personal data. We have the settings aspect. We have the general writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks, privacy. So all of these are what we have in the settings and the tools section. So our Elementor has been activated. So like if you don't have an account, probably you want to create an account on Elementor website, you can just create an account, but this I don't need to do this for now. Or you want to connect an existing account, you can connect from here, but what I need to do right now is just to skip this. So I'm skipping these steps because I don't. So your site name, you can just say tutor. So click on next. So you can add a logo. If you have a logo, you can add a logo right here, but I don't have a logo for now that I need to add, so we can just skip these steps. So this is a wrap. That's a wrap. What's next? Edit a blank canvas with the Elementor editor. Browse from 200 plus templates or import your own. For now, let's skip these steps. We are coming back to them. So this is basically beginner levels on how to set up your WordPress page for beginner. How to set it up. These are all the things you need to do at first before you proceed to designing a website. After doing all of this, the next thing, so okay, that's even brought us here, but we don't need to do anything right here. Let's just close this. So but we have finished all our setup. All our setup has been completed. Okay, well, do we need to save this page? No, we don't. So I can trash this. You actually don't need this for now too. So far so good. We have really gone far. So now we want to start building our website. We want to start building our website. So the first thing we need to do, yeah, we want to start building our website. So we need, like I said earlier on, we need to create our pages, our own page, about us page, contact us page. These are the first thing we need to do. So we've created our own page. Now the first thing we need to build is to build our header. That is it. But for the course of this of we not having Elementor Pro on our website. So let me show you what I was talking about. So we come to now Elementor has been installed, then some other tabs have been added to our menu bar. So we now have Elementor, we have templates. They all comes from Elementor page builder. So from Elementor we can see the settings, role manager, tools. Excuse me, let me take water. All right, so we have role manager, tools, system info, getting started, etc. So on the template aspect of it, we have saved template, we have team builder, we have landing pages, we have kit library, we have pop-ups, we have add new and categories. Now let me take you to team builder. I need to show you some things. Now this is team builder. If you want to create a full functional website, now the first thing I said you need to create your header. You need to create your footer, a single page, single post, archive, search results page, product page, product archive, and your error 404 page. With this you have a full functional website. All right, but because we do not have Elementor Pro, we'll be using an external plugin to do all of this. All right, so this is just an intro to start with. Then after this we are going straight to installing those external plugins, and also we might not just even use any other plugin. We can just continue with all of this that we have. We can just continue with Elementor and just proceed to having our full website. Like, we can just create our header, though it might not be tagged in different templates or section in different templates, but we'll make sure we have our header, like we have our hero page, the body of the website, and we have our footer. Everything from beginning starts to the end with Elementor page builder. Like, if you have zero idea about building a website, this is actually what you need. This is the right tutorial for you, because I'm taking everything from scratch. Like, we have gone through things that even beginners, if they don't have idea of, now you have idea of different things, like what we are familiar with the WordPress dashboard. Now, in case you want to do things on the WordPress dashboard, how to install theme, how to install plugins, how to create a post, how to install how to create pages, let's just dive into how to edit our page before we round off this tutorial and move to the next tutorial, because it will be section by section. So we have now we have our pages. Let me close this. Now we've created our home page. Let's click on edit. Let's edit the home page. Let's edit it. All right, so we need to edit our home page. Now we need to edit it with Elementor. All right, so after we need to click on edit with Elementor. So it takes us to a place where we have our Elementor widgets and we start building. So let's wait while it loads. So right here you see we have our Elementor page builder right here. So as we can see, then we have different we have Elementor widget on the left hand side. Like, this is what we'll be using to build this amazing website. Like, we're going to build a website from start to finish. But this is what I want us to do at first. At first, we click on this settings, we come to settings, then we change this layout to Elementor canvas, then we click on update, and we'll see what will take effect. We have a blank page. Can you see this? We have a blank page where we are going to start designing our websites. And to start with, we're going to start with the header. Then from the header, we move to the hero section, then the body section, then we'll proceed to the filter. So that's just how we're going to go about designing a fresh website. Now we are going to pause this tutorial for now, and then in another tutorial we'll start. Like I said, we're going to be using only Elementor for now. All right, so we're going to be using only Elementor for, and if there are some features that can actually not work, then we can add one more plugin to it to get those features. But don't worry, we are doing everything with free plugins. If we at all we are using more plugins, we are doing everything from start to finish with free plugins. So in the next tutorial, I'll be taking you to starting up with designing the full functional website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know as a beginner now you are really ready and anticipating to build something amazing, like that product you have been thinking of, that, oh, I want to build this product, I want to live this product, and you'll be having it you'll be having it in mind currently that this is definitely coming to pass. It's coming real and it's going live. Here I show you that in the next tutorial we're going to do something stunning, sleek, and amazing. I promise you that. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Like I said earlier on, this video is proudly sponsored by the subscribe button, the like button, and the share button. Make sure you click on them, you share this video to your loved ones, people that really need to build a website and don't know how to go about it. I mean, beginners that need to build a website. So you can share this amazing video to them, let them watch and see how to go about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I remain David Timothy Digital.